You know, I really wish I brought my GoPro to work today. Then I could put it on this dolphin and get a view of how it cleans. This bad boy went overnight. It's a pretty big property. My second day working at this property. I kind of float around. I'm gonna let this run for the rest of the day and see how well it does. You know, it's been a while since I've worked at a garden style property. Been about 15 years since I've been in a golf cart. Kind of feels good. Kind of miss it a little bit. Couple more days till Christmas. I worked here yesterday, did like 10 work orders, but residents were home at every single one, and it's just a very, very slow time of the year. And there's only about 5 work orders today so far. Hopefully some more come in so I can make a little vlog for y'all today, but we'll see. Look at the mountain views, boys. Just doing a make ready right now, because why not? There it is. Board failure. Next step, unplug range, disconnect power, replace control. You just pull it straight out. It's not necessary, just snug. And then I'll go ahead and let this go up to 350 and see how the repair turns out. doing a make ready now. It's a very slow week. The week before Christmas, not many work orders at all. The only work orders I've had, most people have been home, so I couldn't film. I've combined a couple of days of footage for this vlog. Hope you like it. But until the next one, I'm Dave. Hope to see you there.